Welcome to the episode 16 of the Supra Turbo build. This is done. So we are doing the final touches, adding the brackets and all that stuff. But on this episode, we mainly are going to powder coat. So stick around. It's a short video. I spend days doing these things, but I'm gonna compile everything in 5 minutes so you can enjoy and have fun. Check it out. All right, so let's do the caliper first and see what happens. Check it out. Alright, so when it starts to get flashy like this, running, we're gonna count 2 minutes. Then we're gonna let it cool, and we're gonna apply clear. Now back into the oven for 18 minutes. Wow, look at this. It changed the color. Now it's beautiful orange. Nice. So the caliper turned out amazing. Why do I do that? Before I show you, I'm gonna put this one in the oven, which is the valve cover, and that was blue. I'm just putting a clear vision in it. You guys ready? Look at that. I have the cover, let's make it shiny too, and we have this couple parts. It's actually pretty. So now the question, this pulley was there and it was orange. Wouldn't that be cool? Or stick to the gold. I think the gold, right? Gold. I might do the brackets. I don't know, I like it so much. And that's the valve cover. It's much shinier. I love it. Second valve cover is out. Some defect on the valve cover, but it actually looks very, very good. I'm happy. And that's it. It's 7 p.m. and just now I finished, but look at this. Can you see the sparkles? It is amazing. It's called Illusion Orange from Prismatic Powder, and it has clear vision, and this is bronze chrome, so I mean it turns out to be gold. And let's put this one on, and 4 nuts right there. Let me do my magic. Yeah, look at that. So this goes right in here. It's little details. So let's put together the power steering bracket. It goes like this. So there's one side, there's one lip. This side goes inside towards the engine. This side goes outside. There's a washer, thick washer that goes on the bottom part. The top part, the washer is stuck in there. The bottom part, it is not. And what you do is you do all like this, because the power steering pump goes in here. We are not ready with the pump yet, but we're going to be ready with a bracket. So this bottom bracket is going to hold the AC. This part here goes right in there, and the bolt goes from the inside. So you got to put in there, and then you need a little extension, and it goes straight through this hole. So a good way to torque this, you got to put a bolt in there. I couldn't find a torque spec for this, and it says 43 foot-pound for the actual power steering pump. So this here is just to keep this in place. Then we're gonna, when we have the power steering, we're gonna put it in there. Now this bottom plates here, first you get these rubber pieces, put it inside. Then you have these little pins which are going to lock them in there. Once it is in there, you have 2 more pieces of rubber which goes right in here, and then that. Just tight enough, and we're gonna put a line from here to here. It's just gonna hold and it doesn't hit anything that is important. So I'm gonna take this O-ring. So this is out. just put this baby in there. Done? Alright, so now I am printing these Supra stickers. I don't know if you can see here. So we're gonna put one here, and I'm printing the red part. No! Look at that. So, oh yeah, it did. And that's it for this episode, guys. That was awesome. We have engine in very good state. Now power steering pump, alternator, and DAC we're gonna grab from here probably, but power steering pump is gonna be next. So we have the rebuild kit, we have the power steering, and we have the relocation kit here for the power steering reservoir. That's gonna be the next episode, so don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, love, later.